Can I start?
Yeah, definitely.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank
Everybody
you.
can hear you. Let me mute everybody first.
Ah.
Then you can unmute and.
Shall I start?
Just a minute.
Om.
Ha. Mahodaya, please unmute yourself. Huh?
Oh.
Ha. Please start.
Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Samapprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurudevo Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Padanchalim Paninim Sutrakaram Cha Pranadosmi Munitrayam Patami Samskritam Nityam Vadami Samskritam Sada ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
अस्तु सम्यक् आसीत् इदानीं can you all see the screen?
Yeah.
दृश्यते वा? गतकक्ष्यायां संख्याः पठितवन्तः. We learnt about numbers in the previous class. So we will do a quick revision and then go to the next. Alphabetical order only you answer. Today I am not calling anybody. So you please answer according to the alphabets. Prathamam A.
But we don't know the order though.
No. A we have 4 people, no?
I don't know.
I can start.
Yes. Let us be quick. Yes, please.
Ekam 1, Dve 2, Trini 3, Chatvari 4, Panch 5,
Pancha.
Shat
Pancha.
Panch 5, Shat 6, Sapt 7, Asht 8, Nav 9, Dasha 10.
Next person.
I'll go. Ekadash 11, Dwadash 12, Triyodash 13, Chaturdash 14, Panchadash 15, Shodash 16, Saptadash 17, Ashtadash 18, Navadash 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Next person.
I'll go next. एकविंशतिः, द्वाविंशतिः, त्रयोविंशतिः, चतुर्विंशतिः, पञ्चविंशतिः, षड्विंशतिः, सप्तविंशतिः, अष्टाविंशतिः, नवविंशतिः, त्रिंशत्.
Next person. These are the new numbers. From here, Ekatrimshat, from there. You can see the difference. Ekavimshatihi 21, Ekatrimshat is 31. So continue from here.
D. Dipti.
एकविंशतिः
Ekatrimshat from here.
एकत्रिंशतिः
31.
ओके एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयोत्रिंशत्
Listen, there is a difference. Trayo vimshatihi is there, but trayastrimshat.
त्रयस्त्रिंशत् चतुर्त्रिंशत्
Here also. Chatur vimshatihi is there. This is chatustrimshat.
पञ्चत्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत् अष्टत्रिंशत् नवत्रिंशत् चत्वारिंशत्.
Here ashta vimshatihi is there. Here it is ashta trimshat. There is no dirgham for ashta. Okay. Yes. Next person. Who is next?
Divya.
Dasham, दश विंशतिः
Trimshat.
चत्वारिंशत्
40.
चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चाशत् षष्टिः सप्ततिः अशीतिः नवतिः शतम्.
Next person.
Ganesh. दश विंशतिः त्रिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चाशत् षष्टिः सप्ततिः अशीतिः नवतिः शतम्.
Next person. So you must, I hope you understand these numbers, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yeah.
Okay.
Prasad, where shall I start? From Dasha?
Yes.
Okay. Dasha, Vimshatihi, Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, Panchashat, Shashtihi, Saptatihi, Ashitihi, Navatihi, Shatam.
Next.
Ma'am, I have to say Gayatri. Dasha, Vimshatihi, Trimshat, Chatvarishat, Panchashat, Shashtihi, Saptati, Ashiti, Navatihi, Shatam.
Next.
Kartik. दश विंशतिः त्रिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् 40 पञ्चाशत् 50 षष्टिः 60 सप्ततिः 70 अशीतिः 80 नवतिः 90 शतं 100.
Harsha.
Dasha. Okay.
Harsha. Dasha. 10. Vinshatihi. 20. Trimshata. 30. Chatvarinshata. 40. Chatvarishat. 40. Panchashata. 50. Shashtihi.
So there is one halant. Can you see that there is a stroke here? So that means you have to half.
Panchashata. 50. षष्टिः 60 सप्ततिः 70 अशीतिः 80 नवतिः 90 शतं 100
I will go Kalpana.
हाँ
will speak.
दश 10 विंशतिः 20 त्रिंशत् 30 चत्वारिंशत् 40 पञ्चाशत् 50 षष्टिः 60 सप्ततिः 70 अशीतिः 80 नवतिः 90 शतं 100.
next
I will speak.
hmm.
Dashaha 10.
dasha
Dasha.
hmm.
Dasha 10. Vimshatihi 20. Trinshat 30. Chatvarishat Rimshat 40. Panchashat 50. Shashti 60. Saptatihi 70. Ashitihi 80. Navatihi 90. Shatam 100.
okay, shall we go further?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay, next person. You can start from here.
Shall I?
From Eka Panchashat 51.
Shall I do?
Yes.
Ekachatvarimshat 41. So, Dvichatvarimsat 42. Trichatvarimsat 43. Chatushchatvarimshat 44. Panchachatvarimsat 45. Shatchatvarimsat 46. Saptachatvarimsat 47. Ashtachatvarimshat 48. Navachatvarimshat 49. Next one, I'm not able to see it actually.
Panchashat.
Panchashat 50. Yeah. Can I ask you a question, ma'am?
Yes.
You said here, Shat Chatvarimshat. The textbook, the RSS textbook says shed.
It's okay. Now, while learning, it is okay to split this. Shat Chatvarimshat. Well, once you learn well, then you can join.
Okay. So it is not wrong if I say shed.
Yes, yes. It's not wrong.
Okay. Thank you.
Next person.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Madhavi, can you please zoom out a little bit? I can't see all the zoom out. No, yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Eka Panchashat 51, Dvipanchashat 52, Tripanchashat 53, Chatush Panchashat 54.
Here have you observed Chatush, this Shakaram.
Yeah.
And here Chatush, this Shakaram. There is a difference between Chatush Chatvarimshat and Chatush Panchashat. Okay. While writing, you should be very alert with these. Okay. Next. Continue.
Pancha Panchashat 55, Shat Panchashat 56, Sapta Panchashat 57, Asta Panchashat 58, Nava Panchashat 59, Shashtihi 60.
Next.
I have a question, ma'am, again. Now, this Chetus, where is that?
Chatush Chatvarimshat.
Yeah, Chetush Panchashat and Chetush Chatvarimshat. The only difference is here it is a small Vyanjana, here it is a Dirgha Vyanjana.
No. I talked about this Shakaram. Shankara Shakara is there here in Chatush Chatvarimshat and Chatush Panchashat there.
Shanmukha.
Shanmukha, yes.
Correct. So that is the only difference there.
Yes.
between Chatush and Chatush.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, the book says Chatuhu. Probably it is a Sandhi, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Next.
I will go, ma'am.
Ha.
एकषष्टिः 61, द्विषष्टिः 62, त्रिषष्टिः 63, चतुष्षष्टिः 64, पञ्चषष्टिः 65, षट्षष्टिः 66.
Here there is a typing error. We will correct it later.
And even Chatushashti, is it Shashtihi or Shashti only?
Shashtihi.
Okay.
षट्षष्टिः 66, सप्तषष्टिः 67, अष्टषष्टिः 68, नवषष्टिः 69, सप्ततिः 70, एकसप्ततिः.
No, next person.
Maybe I will go. Ekasaptatihi.
71.
71. Dvisaptatihi 72. Trisaptatihi 73. Chatussaptatihi 74. Panchasaptatihi 75. Saptatihi 76. Saptatihi 77. Ashtasaptatihi 78. Navasaptatihi 79.
Ashitihi.
Asitihi. Something is obstructing me there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ashitihi. Can you see now?
Asitihi. I can see.
Now here, if you observe Chatuh Shashtihi, here it is Chatuh Saptatihi. So here this is Shakaram, here Sakaram. Actually, Chatuhu is that Visargam has come. Here Chatuh Saptatihi. Sakaram has come instead of Visargam. Okay.
It is not wrong if I want to say Chatuhu. Where is it? Chatuhu Saptatihi.
No, it's better to say Chatuh Saptatihi.
Okay, because of the Sandhi.
Yes.
Next, go, ma'am. Ekashitihi 81, Dvayasitihi 82.
Vyashitihi 82. Usually they say no when people turn 80 years old. So they celebrate there is some celebration for the
100 moons or something.
Mahasra Chandra Darshana.
Yes. And one more thing is in Vedas, there is Ashiti Dvayam. Some people say Ashiti Dvayam, but it is not Ashiti Dvayam. That is wrong. Actually, they have to say Vyashitihi.
Trayashitihi 83, Chatursitihi 84,
Chaturashitihi,
Panchashitihi 85, Sadashitihi 86, Saptashitihi 87, Ashtashitihi 88, Navashitihi 89, Navati 90.
Navatihi 90.
Can I go?
Yes.
Ekanavatihi 91, Dvinavatihi 92, Trinavatihi 93, Chaturnavatihi 94, Panchanavati 95, Shanavati 96, Saptanavati 97, Ashtanavatihi 98, Navanavatihi 99, Shatam 100.
Shall I go, ma'am? I'm
Yes,
R.
Yes.
Where shall I start? 61?
Yes.
Ekashashtihi 61, Dvishashtihi 62, Trishashtihi 63, Chatushashtihi 64, पंचषष्टिः 65, षट्षष्टिः 66, सप्तषष्टिः 67, अष्टषष्टिः 68, नवषष्टिः 69, सप्ततिः 70.
Next.
I'll go, ma'am. Preeti. एकसप्ततिः 71, द्विसप्ततिः 72, त्रिसप्ततिः 73, चतुस्सप्ततिः 74, पंचसप्ततिः 75, षट्सप्ततिः 76, सप्तसप्ततिः 77, अष्टसप्ततिः 78, नवसप्ततिः 79, अशीतिः 80.
Next.
I will go. एकाशीतिः 81, द्विशीतिः 82, द्वयशीतिः 82.
You cannot say dve ashitihi. It is dvyashitihi. The vaya all together.
Dvya. Is it like द्वयशीतिः, त्रयशीतिः 83, चतुर्शीतिः 84, चतुरशीतिः 84, पंचाशीतिः 85, षडशीतिः 86, सप्ताशीतिः 87, अष्टाशीतिः 88, नवशीतिः 89, नवतिः 90.
Okay, I'll do more. Ekanavatihi, Dve Navatihi, Ekanavatihi 91, Dve Navatihi 92, Trinavatihi 93, Chatunavatihi 94, Panchanavatihi 95, Shannavatihi 96, Saptanavatihi 97, Ashtanavatihi 98, Navanavatihi 99, Satam 100.
So everybody done?
S and B are left.
Okay. Okay.
41, एक चत्वारिंशत्. 42, द्वि चत्वारिंशत्.
एक चत्वारिंशत् you are saying. So
41, एक चत्वारिंशत्. 42, द्वि चत्वारिंशत्. 43, त्रि चत्वारिंशत्. 44, चतुष् चत्वारिंशत्. 45, पंच चत्वारिंशत्. 46, षट् चत्वारिंशत्. 47, सप्त चत्वारिंशत्. 48, अष्ट चत्वारिंशत्. 49, नव चत्वारिंशत्. 50, पंचाशत्.
Okay, next.
I will go.
I'll go. Sorry.
एक पंचाशत् 51, द्विपंचाशत् 52, त्रिपंचाशत् 53, चतुष्पंचाशत् 54, पंचाशत् 56, पंचाशत् 58, नवपंचाशत् 59, षष्टिः 60.
Ma'am,
yes.
So I start from Ekatrimshat.
Yes.
Ekatrimshat. This is 31. Ekatrimshat 31. Dvatrimshat 32. Trayastrimshat 33. Chatustrimshat 34. Panchatrimshat 35. Shashtatrimshat 36. Saptatrimshat 37. Ashtatrimshat 38. Navatrimshat 39. Last one I can't see now. Chatvarimshat.
40.
Okay. Next. So everybody is covered. हाँ, शीला महोदय. हाँ.
एकचत्वारिंशत् 41, द्विचत्वारिंशत् 42, त्रिचत्वारिंशत् 43, चतुर्चत्वारिंशत् 44, पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् 45, षट्चत्वारिंशत् 46, सप्तचत्वारिंशत् 47, अष्टचत्वारिंशत् 48, नवचत्वारिंशत् 49, पञ्चशत् 50.
Okay. Okay.
मैडम अहं वदामि.
हाँ.
वेदार्थं रमेश. एकपञ्चाशत् 51, द्विपञ्चाशत् 52, त्रिपञ्चाशत् 53, चतुष्पञ्चाशत् 54, पञ्चपञ्चाशत् 55, षट्पञ्चाशत् 56, सप्तपञ्चाशत् 57, अष्टपञ्चाशत् 58, नवपञ्चाशत् 59, षष्टि 60.
Okay.
धन्यवादः.
अग्रिमं सर्वे उक्तवन्तः किल? विन्ध्या.
एकषष्टिः. Okay, which one I'll tell, ma'am?
Your choice.
80. Okay. एकाशीतिः 81, द्व्याशीतिः 82, त्रयाशीतिः
and yeah together. त्र्यशीतिः
83, चतुर्शीतिः 84, पञ्चशीतिः 85, षट्शीतिः.
See here, panchashitihi. There is a dirgham. Then shadashitihi.
षडाशीतिः 86, सप्तशीतिः.
Sapta dirgham is there.
सप्ताशीतिः 87, अष्टाशीतिः 88, नवाशीतिः 89. Last I can't see.
Navatihi.
90.
Okay. So everybody done, no? Now. Yes, please mute. Somebody background noise.
Somebody's music is going on.
Yes. Ha. Kati rajakaha. How many? Kati rajakaha santi?
Shed rajakaah santi.
Shed rajakaah santi.
Pancha mahilaah santi.
Dasha
महिलाः लिखन् सन्ति. कति छात्राः सन्ति?
अष्टादश छात्राः सन्ति.
त्रयोदश
छात्राः.
चतुर्दश.
One.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नवदश एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश. चतुर्दश छात्राः
तत्र अस्ति.
कति अध्यापकाः सन्ति?
द्वे.
कति गायिकाः सन्ति?
नवगायिकाः सन्ति.
कति गायकाः सन्ति?
पञ्चगायकाः सन्ति.
कति पुष्पाणि सन्ति?
अष्टपुष्पाणि सन्ति.
That is wrong.
अत्र
Sapta. Ashta is correct.
Sapta iti
No, Sapta is wrong.
There are
Ashta is correct.
Ashta is
सम्यक्. Then कति नक्षत्राणि सन्ति?
एकादश
एकादश
नक्षत्राणि सन्ति.
इदानीं वयं पुनरावलोकनं अनन्तरं कुर्मः. समयः कः? एवमेव इदानीं भवन्तः उक्तवन्तः किल, तथा एव क्रमेण गच्छामः इन् द आल्फाबेटिकल आर्डर्. एकवादनं, द्विवादनं, त्रिवादनं, चतुर्वादनं, like that. So what you have to do is you will ask your classmate. Okay, I am not talking anything in the middle. Okay. Yes.
Can you please show the screen for this question, so it will be helpful.
This is ekavadanam, dvivadanam. That only we are doing. The pada, sapada we will do later. Okay. Please start.
So vadanam is time.
We say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. No, like that. In Sanskritam we say ekavadanam, dvivadanam, trivadanam, chaturvadanam, panchavadanam, षड्वादनम, सप्तवादनम, अष्टवादनम, नववादनम, दशवादनम, एकादशवादनम, द्वादशवादनम. Okay. अस्तु. Alphabetical order. Please start.
I'll start, Mahoday.
Who
should I ask? I can see Deepthi next on my list.
Yes.
Okay. Deepthi Mahoday, Samayah kaha?
Samayah Navavadanam.
Next, you ask next person, Deepthi Mahoday.
Ganesh Mahoday.
समयः कः?
समयः कः?
समयः दशवादनम्. I will ask next question to Gayatri Mahoday. समयः कः?
समयः त्रिवादनम्
एकादशवादनम्.
I'm next. Ask me the question.
Hariprasad Mahoday. समयः कः?
इदानीं समयः 12 वादनम्. Who is next, man?
You ask anybody. From
anybody. The only
Harsha Mahoday.
Harsha Mahoday. Samayah kaha?
समयः एकं वादनम्.
एकवादनम्.
समयः एकवादनम्.
भवती कार्तिक महोदयं पृच्छतु.
ओके, कार्तिक महोदय, समयः कः?
धन्यवादः हर्षा महोदय. समयः इदानीं समयः 2 भविष्यति. कं पृच्छामि? माधवी महोदय नमस्कारः. कः समयः?
नमस्कारः कार्तिक महोदय. समयः 9 Let me see the names, please.
मधु
प्रिया मधु 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 महोदय समयः कः?
समयः 2:00
अस्तु, we'll go to the next one now. Here the clock is showing 11:15, 3:15, 10:15, like that. So this will be sapada. Okay, sapada ekadashavadanam, sapada trivadanam, sapada dashavadanam, like that. Yes, next person. Madhu Mahoday, you have to ask next person.
प्रिया महोदय समयः कः?
समयः सपाद 11:00 प्रीति महोदय समयः कः?
समयः सपाद 3:00 रीता महोदय समयः कः?
Sorry, is it Trivadanam or sorry question 3:15? Is it Trivadanam or Trinivadanam?
Trivadanam.
Trivadanam.
Yes.
Yes, Priti Mahoday, Samaya Sapada Ashtavadanam.
Sapada Ashtavadanam. That is 8:15.
Whom shall I ask, ma'am?
Next, Sukanya is there.
Sukanya Mahoday, Samaya Kah?
Sukanya Mahoday?
Yes. We finished 10, no ma'am. We're doing now 9, right? The next one. Or I can choose any.
You choose any time. Or if you want to choose a time from your place, that is also fine.
No problem. Samayah Nava Sapada Nava Vadanam.
Vadanam. Sapada Nava Vadanam. That is 9:15.
Sapada Nava Vadanam. Sundari Mahoday, Samaya Kaha?
धन्यवादः समयः सपाद 3:00
Sapada Trivadanam. So that is 3:15.
3:15. Whom shall I ask?
Ask Niranjan.
Niranjan Mahoday, समयः कः? Niranjan Mahodaya.
I think he is not answering. Ask Vindhya.
Vedandam Ramesh.
Ashila Mahoday, please mute. There is a lot of echo.
वेदांतम रमेश महोदय.
हाँ महोदय वदतु.
अद्य समयः सपाद सप्तवाहनं
वादनं
समय वादनं सपाद सप्तवादनं समयः कः अमी महोदय?
समयः सपाद षड्वादनं.
Sapada Shadvadanam.
Sapada
That is 6:15.
हीना महोदये समयः कः?
समयः कः?
समयः कः? हीना महोदये समयः कः?
अमी महोदय समयः अष्टवादनं सपाद अष्टवादनं
सपाद अष्टवादनम्
अष्टवादनं whom shall I ask?
Ask Deepti. You can ask Deepti if she has not done.
Deepti महोदय समय कः?
सपाद first one or second one?
You do any.
Okay. सपाद एकादशवादनं.
सपाद एकादशवादनम्. अस्तु. Ask Divya.
संदीप महोदय समयः कः?
समयः सपाद 3 योगेश महोदय समय कः?
धन्यवाद महोदय।
समयः
सपाद एकादशवादनं।
सपाद एकादशवादनम्। Now Sardha. Ardha is half. So
I have a question.
Yes.
Sorry, I have a question. Can you say, can you tell what to say for 1:15 to 2:15?
That's what we are saying, no?
1:15.
Sapada ekavadanam.
Ekavadanam.
Sapada dvivadanam.
Dvivadanam. Trivadanam. For 4:15, Chatwarivadanam.
Chaturvadanam.
Chaturvadanam. So those are the differences.
Yes. Chaturvadanam is 4 o'clock. Sapada Chaturvadanam is 4:15. Okay.
Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam. Okay, thank you.
Now, Ardha is half. When we say Sardha, it is half past sometime, whatever. Dvadashavadanam, Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam, Trivadanam, like that. Astu. Idanim, whoever didn't answer previously, they should answer now.
I will do. Samayah Sardha Ashtavadanam.
Sardha Ashtavadanam.
Samayah Sardha Ashtavadanam.
You ask somebody who has not answered previously.
Actually, anyway, Madhavi Mahodaye Samayah Kaha.
Samayah Sardha Dvadasavadanam.
Dvadashavadanam. Sardha Dvadashavadanam. 12:30. Dvadasha is 12. So Sardha Dvadasha is 12:30.
Got to look for names. Sorry, we still didn't.
You can ask me Aarti.
Aarti Mahodaya, Samayah Kaha?
Samayah Sardha Ekavadanam. Next, Arun Mahodaya, Samayah Kaha?
See, you must be alert while addressing gentleman. You should say Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
समयः सार्ध द्विवादनं दिव्या महोदये समयः कः?
सार्ध त्रीणि
त्रिवादनं त्रीणि नास्ति
त्रिवादनं नेक्स्ट मैम
ask whom will you ask?
You can ask me.
निर्मल महोदय.
निर्मल महोदय समयः कः?
महोदय समयः सार्ध षड्वादनं.
सार्ध षड्वादनं. षट् is 6. षड्वादनं is 6 o'clock. सार्ध षड्वादनं is 6:30.
वेदार्थम रमेश महोदय समय का
समयः कः?
I think he said some network issue is there.
Okay. Then ask somebody.
गणेश महोदय शार्द सप्तवादनं. समयः कः? शीला महोदय. शीला महोदय.
समयः सार्ध 12:00.
सार्ध 12:00. Ask next person. Why you people don't mute? I don't understand. Making so much of noise. Next is padona. Padona is 1:15 to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, like that. 15 minutes left to
Mahoday, Padona, so next number we will use or previous number we will use?
Next number you have.
Padona Trivadanam, the first one.
Okay.
First one.
Shall I go?
Yes.
Padona Ashtavadanam.
What do you mean by that? Padona Ashtavadanam.
7:45.
7:40. Okay.
I will ask a question to Hari Prasad Mahoday. Samayah kah?
Ganesh Mahodaya, mama nama Haraprasada, na Hari Prasada.
Kshamasva.
Okay, all right. Go ahead. Punaha Puchito.
Mr. Mahodaya, Haraprasad Mahodaya, Samayah kah?
Samayah idanim Padona Navavadana.
Padona Navavadanam. Ityukte?
Padona Navava is 8:45.
3:45
Padona Chaturvadana.
Agree.
Oh, it's my turn. I will ask Madhavi Mahodaya, Samayah kaha?
Haraprasad Mahodaya, Samayah Padona. Trying to use the first 5. Samayah Padona Chaturvadanam.
Padona
Chaturvadanam. That is 3:45.
Alphabet. Nobody answered till now.
Arati Mahodaya, Samayah kaha?
is muted.
माधवी महोदये समयः पादोन अष्टवादनं 7:45.
7:45. Ask somebody from your group, A group.
Okay, Ami here. I can try. इदानीं समयः पादोन एकवादनं.
So what do you understand by that?
I believe it's supposed to be 1:45.
Okay. So
Me ask me.
गायत्री महोदय समयः कः?
समयः पादोन पञ्चवादन.
पञ्चवादनं.
पञ्चवादनं. पादोन पञ्चवादनं. कल्पना महोदये समयः कः?
Here there are some numbers given. You have to say, try this.
दशाधिक अष्टवादनं. दशाधिक अष्टवादनं.
Submit.
दशाधिक सपाद त्रिवादनम्.
दशाधिक सपाद is not required.
पंचओन सार्ध त्रिवादनम्.
No. दशाधिक अष्टवादनम is enough. Okay.
पञ्चविंशतिः त्रिवादनम्.
अधिक
पंचविंशत्यधिक
पंचविंशति
अधिक त्रिवादनम्. Next 5:20.
विंशत्यधिक पंचवादनम्.
विंशत्यधिक
पंचवादनम्.
5:40.
चत्वारिंशत् अधिक पञ्चवादनम्.
शत्यधिक.
This Vimsha, there is some typing error here, so please don't. What Mahodaya said is right. Okay.
इदानीमपि भविष्यति खलु विंशत्यून ऊन विंशति ऊन विंशति ऊन षड्वादनम्.
Yes. Vimshatyu.
20
not correct.
20 to 6.
20 to 6.
20 minutes to 6.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
पादोन दशवादन.
Next 10:50.
दशोन एकादशवादनं.
पञ्चादशाधिक दशवादनं.
दशोन एकादशवादनम् is correct. Then 11:55.
पंचोन द्वादशवादनं.
15.
पंचाधिक
एकवादनं.
12:15.
10:50 is not clear, ma'am. 10:50 is not clear.
10:50 is dasha una ekadashavadanam. Dasha una is less.
Achha. Okay.
12:15.
सपाद द्वादशवादनं.
सपाद द्वादशवादनं. 7:20.
विंशाधिक सप्तवादनं.
विंशत्यधिक
सप्तवादनं. 1:30.
सार्ध एकवादनं.
Okay. Now let us move to the next part. So you will remember all these numbers, time and everything, no? No need to worry about it. You have learnt well. Here, Balika khadati, eats. Girl eats. शिशुः खादति. Baby eats. बालकः पिबति. शिशुः क्रीडति. फलं पतति. बालकः पठति. बालकः गच्छति. गोस्. बालकः आगच्छति. Boy comes. पुरुषः पश्यति. sees. महिला हसति. smiles. बालिका धावति. girl runs. बालकः उपविशति. boy sits. बालिका लिखति. girl writes. जननी पचति. mother cooks. महिला नयति. woman carries. नौका तरति. नर्तकः नृत्यति. Here all I don't think I need to say in English, if you understand. सा प्रक्षालयति. सः प्रक्षालयति. सः सम्मार्जयति. गुरुः बोधयति.
Sorry, I didn't understand the last one. What is Samar Jayati?
Clean.
Does that mean cleaning or
Yes. Cleaning?
Can we say brooming?
You can say cleaning.
Is it
Sammarjanam
cleaning or
clean.
sweeping?
Cleaning,
Yeah.
Huh? Is it sweeping
cleaning
or
the surface,
cleaning?
no?
Cleaning.
Cleaning the surface.
No, cleaning or sweeping?
No. Cleaning.
Cleaning only, okay.
What is
Guruhu bodhayati. Shika pathayati. Now, okay, we will stop here. Okay. Now, can you tell me one activity?
Pathayati.
With some kriya padam. You use any kriya padam and frame sentences from in the alphabetical order.
महोदय एकः शङ्कमस्ति. दृश्यति पश्यति समानं वा?
Drishyati is not
Drishyati,
there.
pashyati.
Drishyati is not there. There is one kriya padam called Atmanepada. When that Atmanepada used, then it becomes Drishyate. Drishyati is not there. So in what we are using here is Parasmaipadi. Here we use only Pashyati. Drishyati is not there. Drishyate will come. That we learn later.
धन्यवादः.
Mahodaya, ekah prashnaha. Tarati means to swim, right?
Tarati to
float.
To float.
Taranam. Taranam is to float.
No, you said nauka tarati.
Nauka
What is the
tarati.
correct? No, what is the correct translation?
Tarati actually swims only, but Nauka Tarati is correct.
Okay, that means nauka. How do you translate, please?
Nauka floats, you can say.
I think you can say boat sails.
That also you can say, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
If a boatman is there, then it becomes tarayati. Saha
Yeah. Jeevadaha tarayati.
tarayati. That way you can say. Astu. Idanim from in the alphabetical order, whatever you have seen, these kriya padams, please use them. And Ami Mahoday.
Ekah mahila hasati.
Ekah nasti. Don't use the numbers. Again, you will get confused. So you have to say Eka Mahila, because Mahila is Strilingam. So not now. Only Mahila Hasati, whatever you want to say, you can say.
Okay. Mahila hasati.
Next person.
Anupama Mahoday. Sorry, am I supposed to ask her a question or just hand it over to her?
No, you just say sentences. That's all.
Thank you.
No need to ask.
Balika patati.
Balika patati.
Patati.
Next. Yes, you have to be really fast. Otherwise,
Balakah patati.
Phalam patati. Phalam patati.
Ishu kridati.
Balakah pipati.
Shikshu kadati.
Balika kadati.
Shishu kridati.
Phalam patati. Balaka patati.
Janani pachati.
Balakah gachati.
Balakah agachati.
Purushah
Pashyati.
Mahila hasati.
Balikah dhavati.
Balakah upvishati.
Upavishati.
Balika likati.
Janani pachati.
Mahila nayati.
Nauka tarati.
Nartaka nruchati.
Sa prachalayati.
Saha prakshalayati.
Saha sammarjyati.
Guru bhudayati.
Bodhiyati.
Shikshika
Yuvati
Paఠyati.
Yuvati nirtayati.
Nrityati. Samyak.
Nrityati.
Yuvati. Yuvatihi nrityati.
Yuvatihi nrityati.
Shikshika patayati.
Now we come to plurals. Bahuvachanam.
Ma'am, one question. What is the difference between pathayati and bodhayati?
Pathayati is regular lesson. Bodhanam is some discourse like good advice like that.
And is Nayati walking or moving also?
No, Nayati is carrying.
Oh, Nayati is carrying.
Yes. Now we are moving to Bahuvachanam. And I want
I'm
everybody...
sorry, just Paschati.
Sees. To see. Yeah.
Sorry?
Seeing. Dekhna.
Okay.
What will be walking? Sorry.
Brahmanam, chalanam, all these things. Chalati, gachati. Gachati is goes. Chalati is walks. Brahmati, chalati. Those things you can use, those words. Okay. Now, please follow the alphabetical order so that everybody is covered and there is no noise. Okay. A group first.
Yeah, I'll go. Balakaha gachanti.
Balakaha gachanti. Boys are going.
Boys are going.
Next.
Balakaha agachatihi.
Agachanti. Agachanti.
Agachanti.
What is the ekavachanam for this? Singular.
Agachati.
Balakaha agachati. Balakaha agachanti.
Agachanti.
Here balakaha gachanti. Balakaha gachati. Ekavachanam. Next.
Madam, one question. Is the balaka gachanti is boys are going or boys go?
Boys go, you can say, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Next. Who is next?
Balakaha agachanti.
Next. This one.
I read this. Chhatraha
Uttishtanti.
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 They stand. Chhatraha, students stand.
Mahila
Rachanti.
Mahilaha rachayanti.
You can say the Mahila create, right? Rachayanti to create.
Yes. They are doing some rangoli and something.
Arrange is the better word.
Can you give us the singular word also?
Yes. Mahila rachayati.
Rachayati.
That's all. See here also. Chhatraha uttishtati or chhatra uttishtati. Here, what you have to observe is for this kriya padams, you don't apply pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga, all those things. Okay, it is applied only to nama padams. Chhatraha uttishtati or chhatra uttishtati. Bahuvachanam for chhatraha in strilinga also. So chhatraha uttishtanti.
Rachayati means what?
Some creating something or designing something like that.
Okay.
Rajakaha prakshalayanti.
Ekavachanam?
Rajaka prakshalayati.
Rajakaha prakshalayati.
That means washing, correct?
Yes.
Vanaraha kudrati. Kurdati.
Jump.
Bahuvachanam?
Vanaraha. Vanaraha
kurdanti.
Balakaha kurdanti.
Ekavachanam?
Balakaha kurdati.
Balikaha kridanti.
Ekavachanam?
Balika kridanti.
Kridati.
Ekavachanam
will be balika kridati. Bahuvachanam will be balikaha kridanti.
Balakaha davanti. Balakaha davati.
Can I go?
जले
No.
बालिकाः धावन्ति बालिका धावति
महिलाः पठन्ति महिला पठति
They are also doing writing also.
लिखन्ति महिला लिखति
पुरुषाः पठन्ति पुरुषः पठन्ति पठति
पुरुषः पठति
Okay. Pushpa vikrayikaah vikrayanti. That means the flower
sellers.
The person who buys the flower buys it.
No. Flower sellers sell.
Oh, yeah, correct. Vikrayika. The flower seller sells, correct. And the still Ekavachanam is Pushpa Vikrayika.
No.
Vikrayati.
Pushpa Vikrayikaha Vikrayati.
No, if he's a male person. Okay.
ग्राहकाः पृच्छन्ति ग्राहकः पृच्छति
पृच्छति meaning
ask for some what is the rate, something they are asking. What is the cost of that vegetable or something. Grahakah pruchati, grahakaah pruchanti. Customers.
Grahaka means
customer.
Customer. Okay.
छात्राः लिखन्ति छात्राः लिखति छात्रा लिखति.
सम्यक्.
छात्राः भ्रमन्ति छात्रः भ्रमति.
बालकाः पिबन्ति बालकः पिबति.
What's the meaning for Brabhanti?
Pibanti, drink.
No, not this. The previous one.
Brahmanti.
Brahmanti, wandering. Brahmanam.
गायिकाः गायन्ति गायिका गायति.
Next.
गायकाः गायन्ति गायकः गायति.
नर्तक्यः रुच्यन्ति नर्तकः रुच्यति. नर्तकी रुच्यति.
नर्तकी नृत्यति नर्तक्यः नृत्यन्ति.
नर्तकाः नृत्यन्ति नर्तकः नृत्यन्ति.
नृत्यति in ekavachanam. नर्तकः नृत्यति नर्तकाः नृत्यन्ति.
बालकाः नमन्ति बालकः नमति.
भक्ताः तिष्ठन्ति भक्तः तिष्ठति.
And what is the meaning of tishtati?
Stand.
Oh, tishtati. Okay.
रथाः चलन्ति रथः चलति.
Moves.
द्वीपाः ज्वलन्ति द्वीपः ज्वलति
Is it dvipaha or deepaha?
दीपः ज्वलति
Shall I go, ma'am? Patrani patanti. Patram
Parnani.
Parnani patanti. Paranam patati.
Patram patati.
Patram patati.
I'll go. Mahilaah shunwanti. Mahila shunoti.
Samyak.
Ma'am, it is hearing. Shrunuvanti.
Yes.
To hear.
And singular number is?
Shrunoti.
Shrunoti.
Kamalan Vikasan. Kamala
Kamalam vikasati. Kamalani vikasanti.
Mriga charanti. Mriga charati.
Mrigaha charati. Mrigaha charanti. Okay. Here we have, you can do, we will give this as homework. You try this. Okay. Now we have some volunteers have come up for helping those people who would like to have revision sessions for whatever you have learned till now. So the one session would be held in the morning on Thursdays, I think. Mahodaya, Kartik Mahodaya.
Thursday.
Evening on the morning or evening for us, sir.
Morning
for you.
Yeah. IST is morning. So Thursday morning 6:45 to 8:15, right? And
then,
Friday
Friday
evening. Can you tell the equivalent US time?
Let me check the correct time. I'm confused with the time. Okay, the timing is Thursday morning 6:45 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. IST.
Correct.
And Friday evening 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. IST.
So those who would like to attend these sessions, you can please take the help of our volunteers.
Can I volunteer, ma'am? I didn't know about this.
That you have to talk to Bhanu Mahodaya. He is coordinating. So you message him.
I think Preeti Mahodaya will convey that.
Okay. Okay, all of you can sit together and you can take the help. And for today, we will wind up the session. I want everybody to go through whatever you have learned today very well. Next class, we will be moving to Dvivachanam. There is one more, we have 3 vachanams. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam in Sanskritam. Till now we have done Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. In the next class, I would like to take up Dvivachanam, which will be a bit confusing initially. So please learn these concepts well, then it would be easier for you. And Dvivachanam in Pullinga is different from Dvivachanam in Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. Okay, we will be doing everything together. So please practice well. And writing part, many people need to improve a lot with your handwriting. Okay, write legibly so that the person who is checking your answers would be able to understand what you are writing. That is very, very important. Okay. अस्तु, समापयामः वा?
आम्।
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
आचार्य महोदय, अग्रिम मंगलवासरे अहं प्रार्थनां करोमि।